All right, so now that we've had a few minutes to regroup, come on, I had potential, Brian.
Had potential. Big girl ping pong. Now she's switching to golf, but we got to keep her.
You got to keep me moving.
You're kind of a big deal around here, Alan.
Yeah, 5 years straight, recognized as one of the top 40 teachers in the country. The last 2 years voted one of the top 50 teachers in the country for kids.
Now, you're from England.
I am. A place called Nottingham in England.
How do you not move out of this place, though? I mean, come on. I love England, too, but you don't get this kind of weather.
You know what, if you're a golfer, you can do this 365 days here, but in England, not so much. So the neat thing about here is that we get a really kind of diverse group of people that come out and play, especially like around spring break. We see a lot of families come out, we see a lot of kids come out, a lot of husbands and wives that never played golf before coming out and trying it as well. So we get kind of a really broad group of people that come out and play.
You've seen a lot of golf courses. What makes this one a little bit special?
You know, we've got so many golf courses here in Arizona. These two are completely different. You have one that has kind of like an Australian link style golf course, has 108 bunkers, so a lot of sand. That's pretty rare for Arizona. Yeah. And then the Palmer course is more traditional. So that way, you know, you do get the kind of the more kind of traditional blend of Arizona golf, but at the same time, you can play another course that's completely different.
I'll be honest, I don't like playing out of sand. So you know what I do? I pick up my ball and I don't play out of sand. Don't you think, why should I have to do something I don't want to do?
It's all about fun. Yeah, that's what it is. So if you need to improve that lie, we're not going to hold that against you. I always kind of joke that nobody's going to get a green jacket at the end of their round. They're not going to win a big trophy. As long as you're having a good time out here, then that makes the biggest thing for us.
And maybe one of those coconut drinks over there by the cabanas.
I've heard those are pretty good.
So the facial was a success.
Facial was amazing.
Skin looks great. She's completely refreshed. We're having one's alcoholic, one's non-alcoholic. Which one's which? Who knows?
Oh, you're
we don't know.
Definitely non-alcoholic.
Yep, that drink I'm talking about, the Cocopelli Cabana Colada, which includes the signature Cocopelli Colada with an added shot of dark rum served inside a freshly carved coconut. Okay, so Ashley is due in not, kind of soon.
Yes.
So we're making you work. So
yes.
These are, when you get one of the cabanas, you can upgrade the package. You got a couple options, and which one is this?
So this is the Fit For You package. So it comes with 2 buckets of Spindrift. They are flavored sparkling water. We have a raspberry lime and then a grapefruit, which the grapefruit is great with tequila, so you can spice it up a little bit. And then you get some little snacks. You get 4 different granola bars, protein bars that we have for you.
Love it.
Kettle cooked chips, Chipotle popcorn, spicy roasted almonds. You have apple crisps, trail mix, and then either kale or beets.
I reserved one of the 6 new luxury cabanas at Griffin Bay, the resort's new poolside retreat. But man, it doesn't matter where you end up with your towel and sunscreen. JW Marriott Desert Ridge still has that famed 1,600-foot lazy river that winds around the space, but there's a brand new poolside bar, a new dining area that's truly stunning. You've got sunken fire pits, a U-shaped, gorgeous splash bar with a state-of-the-art sound system that makes you feel like you're at a concert in the middle of the Sonoran desert landscape.